Sufficient colour contrast is one of the most important parts of accessibility, especially for people with disabilities and vision impairments. When there isn't enough contrast between the background colour and the foreground colour, they can be very difficult to read. Funkify is a disability simulator which shows you how people with disabilities may view the internet. In this example, if we view this text as a person with colour blindness, the text is extremely difficult to read because there isn't enough contrast. In order to check how accessible colour combinations are, you can use a colour contrast checker like the WebAIM one at webaim.org/resources/contrast checker. You'll need the hex colour code to check the contrast. To get the hex colour code from Word, unfortunately isn't that simple at the moment. In this case, we're looking at the background colour, so we'd click on the arrow next to the bucket Shape Fill tool and click More Colours. Then click on the Custom tab. At the end, you'll see a hex section. You want the number with the hashtag in front of it. Copy that number. Open up the WebAIM colour contrast checker. Here you have two options, the foreground colour, which is usually the text, and the background colour. In this case, we're going to paste the hex code of the yellow background into the background colour. We know the foreground colour is white, so we'll select that here, or you can add another hex colour code number in. If we scroll down, we can see it's telling us that the colour contrast is not sufficient, so it has failed the contrast checker and isn't accessible. You can try different colour combinations or use these sliders to find an accessible colour. It will tell you when it's passed. Once you've got a colour combination that works, we'll copy the hex code again and go back to Microsoft Word. We're going to update the background colour with the new hex code, and that's our accessible colours. You can see already how much easier it is to read.